Hello guys, welcome to Ames Trading channel. In this video, we are going to talk about few ways we can analyze the market using our fundamental analysis. I'm just going to be showing you my personal result, real-time personal result, and see how far. But before we begin, let's go to YouTube. You're going to see tons upon tons of video talking about fundamental analysis. Let's just go to YouTube meta-analysis in Forex. As you can see, you get to see tons of video talking about it, but all of them have one thing in common. Most of them don't show you real-time result, and the ones that even show you real-time result, they end up blowing their account, right? So let's go back. So I just want to show you one quick way, one easy way for you to analyze the fundamental analysis. We have a complete guide. If this is the first time you are hearing about fundamental analysis, we have a complete guide on our YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you can just go to our videos and you see we have tons of videos on our YouTube channel talking about it. So from episode 1 or episode 1 to the end, you see we have everything here, so you can start from the scratch if this is your first time, right? So speaking of fundamental analysis, fundamental analysis has to do with any news that affects the currency, whether you like it or not. Fundamental analysis has to do with anything that affects the currency. We have inflation, unemployment rate, even political news and war, right? All of these has one or two influence in the market. So as a technical analyst trader, it is very advisable for you to check your trade first, your fundamental news, if there's any news at the time, so that you will not um, um, lost your trade, right? So one way you can do that, we use what we call Forex Factory. Forex Factory is one reliable source that will help you to analyze. So currently, we have Thursday, July 10, which is USD unemployment claim. I think this has passed already. Let's go to tomorrow. This is Friday 11, 7 a.m. and 7:30 a.m. Unemployment rate 2 on card and GBP. So if you don't know how to read this, there's a complete guide on our YouTube channel. I'm going to drop the link somewhere around this video. There's a complete guide on our YouTube channel. I highly recommend you to try it. So if you are thinking between becoming a fundamental trader or a technical trader, which one would you want to stick with? The thing is, as a technical trader, you cannot run away from checking or observing the fundamental market, right? It has to, like I said, this has to do with anything anything that has to do with any news that has to do with the forex market. So as a technical trader, you must check all the time, just as I check the forex factor. I'm going to drop the link somewhere around this video. So speaking of news, currently I've been trading USD ILS recently, and thanks to the current geopolitical tension in that area, the market has been extremely volatile, right? The market has been extremely volatile. Let's check it. USD ILS. If you can check, let's launch our chart. If you don't know how to use TradingView, we have a complete guide on how you can use TradingView. So this is USD ILS. As you can see, it's on a 1 hour time frame, and you can tell that the market is really bearish market, right? So as a fundamental trader, this is a perfect setup. What I do, I study the news, the conflicts, and the economic sentiment, and then I make my move. And guess what, guys? It has been paying off so bad, like massively. I've been making profit on this USD ILS as a fundamental trader. As you can see, I have an ongoing trade currently, and I'm already making $46 already. And so far, like I said, I've been recently trading on USD ILS this is it. This was yesterday. I traded USD ILS, and this was my profit, as you can see on the chart. I also made some few profit on Euro USD and make some profit on goods too, but the focus is the USD ILS. You can see I also made $18, $26. If we also scroll down, see I made $141, $140, $141, $68, $69, $70 straight. And if you check, I also trade $3, $3, and the rest, right? So this is just to tell you that it has been paying off. And one of the beautiful thing I love, or one of the beautiful thing that has added to this my profit, it's what we call AI trading. So I recently got access to our AI trading system that is, we are selling it for just $99, which is around 160 at this time that we are making this video. And guys, trust me, it has been backing my fundamental trade perfectly, confirming all my setup, minimizing my losses and maximizing all my gains, as you are seeing here. So if you want to see how this work in real time, there's a link, or the login details should be somewhere around this video. Just check it. I'm going to drop it there. So log in the AI robot login on your MetaTrader 4. If you love the profit that you are seeing, you can also reach out to us and buy this robot so that it can help you with your trade. Note, don't trade this live if you don't know how to trade. So the AI robot is going to help you. Like I said, it minimizes losses and also maximize profit. As you can see on this my trade, we see some of the losses that I'm saying, 0.66 USD. These are small losses. You can also maintain your profit for a very long time. So guys, if you want this AI robot, there's a link on this video. Just click on it and we'll send it to you ASAP with as low as $99, which is about 160,000 at this time that we are making this video. But if you want to test it out, you want us to send you the login, it's very free and available. We can send it to you, log it to your phone. Until when you are satisfied with the profit, you can contact us for this robot. So if you want a complete guide on how to trade fundamental analysis, like I said, on our AMEJTRADING channel, there is a complete video on that can also help you. But if you want to be in a community of traders, we have a community of over 2,000 traders that are trading together. We also have a free premium signal community where you get 80% accurate results on every single trade, right? So don't miss this opportunity to leverage AMEJTRADING to make massive profits. So thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.